Hello Internet, welcome to my channel. There is a new dish for you. Peel off the skin and slice onions, puree 2 tomatoes and dice the potatoes into cubes. Clean the mushrooms and cut them into 2 halves. Make ginger garlic paste. Heat oil in a pan, temper with mustard and cumin seeds. Add onions, green chilies and saute till it becomes translucent. Then add ginger garlic paste and continue to saute for 3 minutes. Next add tomato. Turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, other spices and cook till the oil separates. Add salt. Now add potatoes and saute till the veggies turn soft. Finally add 200 milliliters of water and mix well. Cover the pan. Let it cook at medium heat for 10 minutes. Open the lid and add mushrooms and cook for another 10 minutes. Turn the heat off and shift the dish into a serving bowl. Garnish with green coriander leaves. Thank you. Like, subscribe and share.